Check out this 2007 Lexus ES 350. This one-owner Lexus was just traded into courtesy Nissan. If your dream has been to drive a really nice Lexus at an affordable price, this is your opportunity. Super nice, inside and out, this one comes with a beautiful leather interior with heated seats, power tilt and sliding moonroof, alloy wheels, wood grain accents, premium audio system and much more. You can buy with confidence knowing that it comes with a clean Carfax report, the remainder of the factory warranty and the peace of mind knowing that it was thoroughly inspected by our certified master technician before it was ever considered for our lot. At this price, this one will go fast. Call now. You really don't want to miss out on this one. We are centrally located on Central Expressway in Richardson. Nice a selection of new or certified pre-owned Nissans and other makes in one location. Our internet department features over 90 years of combined automotive sales experience. The internet department is committed to a fast, hassle-free purchase process that puts you first. Please, ask for your internet manager. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $22,991. Contact the dealership today.